the screen is coming loose. It's coming unglued, and I can stick it up there and it'll stay there for a while, but it comes undone. It's just completely falling out. That's the screen. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a scratch right here. You can't see it. 3/4 of an inch long and thick, as if like a screwdriver dug along the side. There's the screen. You can see the inside of the screen coming out. And on the back half, all along here, there's thick scratches that look like a tool was scraping along the back side of my Macintosh. And the keys are melted. This one, this one, this one, not that one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These inside keys are all melted, and this little black strip looks melted. I don't know if you can see, but the Macintosh there is coming undone too. The only place the screen is sticking is right along this edge. There's wrinkles all on this black strip that weren't there before, and the keys weren't melted before.